Hey, what's good, guys? It's your man Treyman100 back with another review. Today I got a review of the Anker Bluetooth keyboard that I bought off of Amazon. I got it for about 22 bucks, you feel me? I think it's a pretty good price, especially seeing how good this thing is. It comes with charger, because it is rechargeable. It also comes with a dongle, just in case you don't have Bluetooth, and you can just plug this right in. Yeah, it fits right there, if you can see. But I got it out so you guys can see it and everything. Inside the case, there was, little things, manual, warranty, all that good stuff. But anyways, back to it. Alright. The main reason I bought this keyboard is for my Galaxy S3, which I'll be doing a review later, showing you how to connect that and everything. It's got this nice little touchpad, which works wonderfully. The keyboard's pretty nice. The buttons pretty firm and everything. It also has a backlight. Let me cut it on. Hold on. Press this. This works wonderful when it's night and you need to do some typing or whatever. Yeah. It also comes with a laser built into it. Wait. I think that's pretty cool. If you're doing any presentations or anything like that. The charger on it, when it's plugged up to the computer or whatever you got it hooked up to, it also has another part to where you can connect another charger or whatever you want, so you're not just using up that port. I'll be doing a review later showing how to hook this up to my Galaxy S3. Yeah, so, subscribe to see that. I'll also be showing how to hook it up to a computer, and I'm also going to try to see if it'll work in my Xbox 360. So, yeah. I think that's about it. Pretty cool thing. I would recommend it to anyone who needs a Bluetooth handset, especially if you have a Galaxy S3. But anyway, guys, if there's any questions, leave a comment. If this was informative at all, even if it wasn't, still like. And holla at you guys later, man.